Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice for those that are new here, and for this video I'm going to be doing this neon orange makeup look. But before we get into that, don't forget to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Recently I came across a makeup hack which said you should apply setting spray first and then let that dry, and then apply powder and then apply your concealer or foundation. And honestly guys, this method is such a lifesaver. I figured that this works best for my skin as I get really dry skin. I suggest you guys give this method a try and let me know what you guys think. It actually stays on really well throughout the day. Here I'm just applying another layer of concealer as your girl here has dark circles and she don't sleep. Now using black eyeshadow, we're just going to shape and define our brows. Now taking a shade lighter than yours, we're just going to apply that to our lids to act as a primer. Take a shimmery orange and apply that all over your lids. To intensify the orange, we're going to take these two shades and apply that all over the lids. Take an off-white shade and apply that to the inner corners of your eyes. This will help brighten up the yellow. So this is a magnetic eyeliner which has magnetic fibers in it. First step, shake it well before use. This is very important. Second step, apply the eyeliner as you would normally. Make sure the liner is completely dry before you apply the lashes. This is also very important. Ta-da! Your lashes should be on nice and tightly. Now apply black eyeshadow to the bottom lash line and then mascara to finish off the eyes. Moving on to the face, I'm taking a bronzer and I'm just going to contour my face at the hollows of my cheeks, jawline and around the hairline. So here I'm just applying highlighter on the higher cheekbones and my brow bone. For blush, I'm taking a light pink shade and I'm just going to apply that in between the bronzer and the highlighter. And also on my nose. Now take a light brown shade and I'm just going to contour my nose to give an illusion of a higher nose. So recently I've been really loving the fake freckles look and I decided to incorporate that within this makeup look, and it turned out to be so cute. Last but not least, the lips, and I'm just taking this mauvey red colour and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. Now finish off with some setting spray and then this look is complete. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you like me and want to see more videos from me. And also, I am so thankful for those who actually take their time out to watch my videos. It means a lot to me. Comment down below what you want me to do next. Give me suggestions. I always read comments, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.